What's going on, everybody? It's your man, Big Will, and this is Big Will's Big World of Travel News Edition. Let's get into it. Well, looks like you're going to need a few more zeros in your bank account to visit Brazil. On April 10th, 2025, Brazil reinstated its visa policies for U.S. citizens. This means there are no more free visa vacations for now. But wait, there's more. You'll also need to show that you have at least $2,000 in your bank account to be approved. You can do this by showing your last 3 bank statements or your last 6 most recent check stubs. If you don't meet the minimum requirements, you'll need to have a financial sponsor. The visa costs about $80.90 US, and once approved, it's good for 10 years, allowing you to stay in Brazil up to 90 days per year. When applying, you'll need to include a letter with your travel plans, proof of U.S. citizenship, your return flight details, and the information that I listed before. The processing usually takes about 5 business days, but Brazilian officials recommend that you apply at least 2 months in advance just to be safe. So, what did we learn? Well, this seems to be a little get back, if you will, since Brazilian travelers still need visas for the United States, Canada, and Australia. Brazil is bringing back its requirements for those countries. Be that as it may, I don't think that's going to slow me down from traveling to Brazil at all. And the good thing is, it's a one-time thing apparently as of right now. You pay for it, it's good for 10 years. I thought before it was going to be every time you wanted to go. So that's a plus. Well, I better get started on this process for my trip to Carnival next year, so I'll be all set and ready to go. All right, I am Big Will, and this is Big Will's Big World of Travel News Edition. See you next time.